What value of h is b in the plane spanned by a1 and a2? So this is a1, this is a2, and this is b. Put all three of these together as one. There's a1, a2, and b. Put all three of these as one. Okay? This is a 1, so we leave it alone. This is a 1, so we leave it alone. So row 1 stays. I need this 4 to be a 0, this -2 to be a 0. So opposite of 4, -4. Opposite of -2, +2. So -4 times R1 plus R2. +2 times R1 plus R3. So -4 times 1 is -4. 4 plus 4. -4 times 1 is -4. -4 plus 4 gives me 0. -4 times -2, +8. 8 subtract 3, 5. -4 times 4, -16. 16 subtract 1, -15. So the second row now becomes 0, 5, -15. Repeat that process for the third row. So 2 times 1 is +2. 2 plus -2 gives me 0. 2 times -2 gives me -4. Plus 7 gives me 3. 2 times 4 gives me 8. 8 plus h gives me h plus 8. So now this third row becomes 0, 3, h plus 8. Okay? Next, we need this 5 to become a 1. So this 5 to become a 1. So we multiply this 5 by the reciprocal, which is 1/5. Okay? So we need this 5 to become a 1. To get a 5 into a 1, we need the reciprocal of 5, which is 1/5. So 1/5 times R2. So 1/5 times 5, which is 1. 1/5 times -15, -3. One more time. 1/5 times 5, which is 1. 1/5 times -15, -3. Okay? Next, we need this 3 to become a 0. So the opposite of +3 will be -3. So -3 times R2 plus R3. So -3 times 1 will be -3. -3 plus 3 gives me 0. -3 times -3 gives me +9. 9 plus 8 gives me h plus 17. Okay, so one more time. -3 times 1 is -3. -3 plus 3 gives me 0. -3 times 3, -3, which is +9. 9 plus 8, which is h plus 17. All right. Next, since this is a 1, this is a 1, so we're okay. Now we just solve for h. So set it equal to 0. So move the 17 over, becomes -17. So now b is in span of a1 and a2 when h is -17. So h is 7. When h is -17, the b is span of a1 and a2. Okay.